Ever wondered why houseplants are all the rage these days? Well, apart from their obvious aesthetic appeal, they offer a host of benefits, from improving air quality to reducing stress levels. Today, we're going to explore the world of houseplants for beginners, demystifying the art of indoor gardening. Firstly, let's delve into the benefits of houseplants. These leafy companions do more than just beautify your space. They're known to enhance air quality, reduce stress, and create a more vibrant atmosphere. Indeed, a little greenery can go a long way. Choosing the right houseplants can often be a daunting task, especially for beginners. But worry not. Start with resilient varieties like snake plants, pothos, or ZZ plants. These hardy species are known for their ability to thrive in varying conditions, making them perfect for the novice gardener. Understanding your plant's light requirements is another crucial aspect of successful indoor gardening. Each plant has its own unique needs. Some flourish in bright, indirect light, while others are content in lower light conditions. Hence, identifying the available light in your space is key to ensuring your plants thrive. Watering is a topic that often stumps beginners. A common mistake is overwatering. As a general rule of thumb, it's better to underwater than overwater your plants. Allow the top inch of the soil to dry out before the next watering session. And remember, each plant has its own preferences, so do your research. Next, let's talk about basic plant care and maintenance. This includes tasks like repotting when necessary, pruning, and even wiping down leaves to keep them clean and dust-free. Regularly checking for pests and addressing any issues promptly is also crucial. Every plant parent faces challenges. Common problems like yellowing leaves, drooping, or pests can be disheartening, but remember, it's all part of the learning process. The key is to troubleshoot and resolve these issues promptly. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to houseplants. It's our hope that this video will inspire you to start your very own indoor jungle. Remember, every green thumb starts somewhere. So don't be afraid to roll up your sleeves, get your hands dirty, and embark on this green adventure. Happy planting!